In this Circuits of the Past video, Herman shows you an update from the restoration of the Reims-Gueux Circuit in northern France. Reims-Gueux, as fans of this channel will already know, is Formula One's ultimate abandoned circuit. Every Friday, a team of about 25 volunteers is coming to work at the Gueux racetrack facilities to do the restoration of this historic monument.
Celui de Jean Berger, je ne sais pas si tu étais là, ma foi, le tracteur est bon.
The Reims-Gueux Circuit was a street circuit, and it was in use for the very first time in 1926 for the Grand Prix de Le Mans. In 1932 it hosted the French Grand Prix, and then again in 1938 and 1939. After World War II, it then also hosted Grand Prix races from 1950 right the way up to 1966. And the Reims-Gueux was also famous for the annual 12 Hours of Reims. During the years, permanent facilities were built around, such as this press grandstand, grandstands for the spectators, a permanent pit lane, a VIP building, and a timekeeper house. The circuit layout itself changed a few times over the years too, and if you want to see more about all the different configurations, I strongly recommend checking out the video Reims Circuit Go, All Layouts. Despite being a popular venue and having good permanent facilities, after the 1996 Grand Prix, Formula One abandoned Reims-Gueux. Until 1972 the circuit was used for other races, but then it closed for good. The permanent buildings were left abandoned for the next few decades, and actually there were plans to demolish it entirely for construction for new houses, but thankfully this never actually happened. Fortunately, the foundation Les Amis de Circuit de Gueux was founded to save the remains of the old Reims-Gueux circuit. They got permission to restore the buildings back to their former glory and guarantee that nothing would be demolished any further. Restoration work started in 2004. In June 2023, Herman was invited as a guest by the Foundation for a second time to film the restoration works and the progress they've made. For those of you who don't know who Herman is, his full name is Herman Lischmeyer, and he's the founder of the Circuits of the Past website and the YouTube channel. My name's Simon Smith, I do the voiceovers, and I have a gaming channel on YouTube called High Playing Games if you're interested.
Les remettre, c'est pas évident, c'est le carton, mais un peu plus. Voilà, je te remercie. Voilà, super.
You can clearly see what a great job the Foundation Les Amis de Circuit de Gueux does to preserve this piece of motorsport history. So if you want to support them, please visit their website ami-do-circuit-de-go.fr. There'll be a link which will be much easier to deal with down in the description.
Vous avez caché les plaques? Oui, oui.
Alrighty, I think it's time we say au revoir mes amis and bon chance to all of the restoration works that you'll be undertaking, and I'm sure Herman will be back again in the future to see exactly what's been going on. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel. You can also click on the notification bell so that you don't miss the next video when it comes out. There's a website, www.circuitsofthepast.com, and there you can download a free ebook about 7 abandoned tracks that you can visit legally. As always, thank you so much for watching, and look forward to seeing you in the next video.